Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155.
Ke Presbyterian Youth Today International Network, Lyngdoh Presiden Jongka, uba Daniel Stone Lyngdoh hakakat terik urempang arja afulai. Kalau yo apan Aiti ya Ying School, kepala tip kerteng kum ke Spility Lyngdoh Langrin Memorial School, syak Shnong Domiasiat, Lyngdoh usordar jongka Shnong, uba S Dekhar, hakajinya don lang, uba N Langrin, uba de kontraktor ba pentrei ya ketiga school. Ya ketiga school latei kum kedak kejing pensa anam, yang riu yale persya uranium, ke kong Spility Lyngdoh Langrin, kapasyong basa Domiasiat, Southwest Khasi Hills District. Bat kabala khlak no nangani keselapar thai haka arpu pratarik Oktober arjar arpo. Ke Presbyterian Youth Today, Lyngdoh ke jigisno ketilang jangki babuan ki kunhun nyam, iseng bahlang kum ke KSU, ke RBOF, FKJGP, bat kiwei, kum juru ki riu shimet na kejala, bat na syabar kejala, bat na kelang kiri ke perthai, kala yo bantai ya ketika Ying School, kepala syempur laisna man pendap Ïaka, kepala sedang house nam arjar arpo, hapo ke jingkmi uchairman ke managing committee jangka school, Dr. Bramley WB Lyngdoh, uskatri uba Powell Soklet, Bat Presiden ke Presbyterian Youth Today International Network uba Daniel Stone Lyngdoh.
Kum kisamla jong ke PYT sebagai di barok kum ke Presbyterian Youth Today International Network jing alum lang ki samla kumba menaru meningkong ilai berkat sami ba ke jing kwa jo kami ich chwa ba in lap no na ke jing kwa kalong ba in tei bersanam di ke school kan ya Domiasiat. Dia kata yang sedang ini ke sekolah untuk ke arajar heo ba kelas impor kemba laisnem pada une arajar pulai bat ngisngo ban ai kublai chi bon nale jo ka Shnong ka bala yo ban non kat bat ado ba kong bat kum jo ki bahaying sem ka tu ko por ka bani simti ban snai ga Ying School ngai kublai chi bon ya ki samla ke bele don dekat pada bani kong ban snai ga Ying School bala ai ka ketika mon ketika diam kiseng ki baper na ken hunniam ki baper kum ke seng ki bangala banjar ka teng hane kum ka KSU Khasi Student Union kum jo ke ki seng kum ka FKJP but ka RBYF kum jo ki seng ki babon ba ki balai no semyang ha kene anta ki rushimat don shibon ro samla ki batei ki basa na shabar jo dari India ro ki balai no semyang daga bantaban sa nam ni kane kai yin jung ni ik nimla banjer kateng ki babon ki nong ai snobha ki balai no semyang nga singoban ai kublai Dr. Bramley WB Lyngdoh ki badai chairman jong school jongka managing committee di balai Tristom nangta nakaliang jong secretary ro ten basan Powell Soklet di balai don banta kisamla jongka PYT the members sangto.
As the chairman of the construction committee of the Spility Lyngdoh Langrin Memorial School in Domiasiat, I'd like to bring to your kind attention that today, the 11th of February 2023, the Presbyterian Youth Today International Network, in the presence of the executive members of the Presbyterian Youth Today International Network, which included the president, Daniel Stone Lyngdoh, and Mr. Nostradamus Langrin, a contractor, handed over the school to the headman of Domiasiat village, Mr. S. Dekhar. Under the management and vision of the Presbyterian Youth Today International Network, the Spility Lyngdoh Langrin Memorial School in Domiasiat has been constructed with the aid and financial support of various religious denominations, NGOs, faith, caste, tribes, gender, and individuals from across the country in India and abroad. The school has been constructed in memory of the Iron Matriarch of anti-uranium mining. It took more than 3 years to complete the building construction, from the 20th of October 2020 to 11 February 2023. The school building has been handed over by the Presbyterian Youth Today International Network to the Domiasiat village on 11 February 2023. May God bless the school and the village. The Presbyterian Youth Today International Network gives its blessing and gratitude to all the people and organizations that contributed to the building of this school.